Yo, what's up guys? Today in this video I will try to tell you or to show you how to design the composite pressure vessel, and for this case the pressure vessel will have a two different material, which there is a metallurgy material and for the composite material. So the illustration of this pressure vessel is the metallurgy material will be for the linear, and the composite material will be the reinforcement for this linear, so the pressure vessel will be the more strong. The material we will use is the polyethylene, and the composite I will try to use the UD carbon. So let's just right into it. Let's just jump into it. So you should open your ANSYS first, okay? And for the project schematic, you need the engineering data, the geometry, the ACP for the composite design, and the mechanical model for the linear design. Okay. After that, you need to static structural to do the analysis of this pressure vessel. So first of all, let's go to the engineering data. The engineering data I will try like I told you before. I will going for the linear is the polyethylene here. Okay, press this, press add, and then for the composite I will try to epoxy carbon UD. I'll choose for the two for this epoxy. Okay, after that you done, can just delete the structural steel here. Okay, there you go. After that you done for your engineering data, and for the geometry here we will design the geometry for our pressure vessel here. So for this case you need for the concept of this design, you should design separately for the composite and for the linear itself. So we will try to divide the two different material, composite and the linear. After we divide it, we we mix it, or we combine it into the one pressure vessel to in this static structural. Okay, so for the geometry, I will try to do the random number here. I have reference for the vessel. I'm just going for the 50 meter. Yeah, radius and line here. I'm going to for 120, meaning the 100 to 120. Okay. There we go. Okay, there we go. So in this I will try to tell you the illustration. I will try to give you the illustration for the pressure vessel. Okay, so there will be the linear, the inside part, or we should call it a linear part, the inside part of the pressure vessel, and the outer will be going to the composite, will overlap the linear itself. So for the dimension, actually you should try to search the reference or anything, the reference for the dimension of the type of your pressure vessel want to analysis. Because I don't have the reference, so I will try to do the I will try to use the random number for the pressure vessel for the dimension. Okay, there you go. After you go this schematic, you want to go pull and try to build the 3D model first for the pressure vessel. Okay, choose the axis for your pressure vessel. I will try to use the inner part of the pressure vessel first. Okay, so there you go. Okay, you got it. So after that you can just delete your surface here, leave the solid, and you need to have the support, the surface of your pressure vessel. Why? Because this surface will be the initial step to design your composite, and for the solid it will goes for your linear. Okay, that okay. So you got these two different solid and surface. After you done this, close this window here, and what you want to do next is you should to duplicate this geometry here. Why? So because there will be a two different because we will design the linear and the composite separately, so you should need two different you should need two geometry, because this geometry will be goes for the composite, and this geometry here will goes for the linear. But before we going to the set up our model, you should back to the geometry first, because we should delete its because we should delete the model if you want to design the composite, because we only need the surface one, not the solid one. So you can just delete the solid one, and for the linear here you should want to delete the surface one, because you only need the model one. Okay, here, okay, we got these two, solid and surface. Because it will be goes for to design the composite, you want to delete the solid here, because you only just need the surface of your pressure vessel. Close your window. After that, going for the geometry for the linear design, and delete the surface, because you only just need the model. Here you want to delete the surface one, because you only need the solid one. Close the window, and we going back to the project schematic. After done with that, let's just go for the composite first. Okay, after done that, going to the model here, try to define the maze. Okay, here we go. We got our model here first. What do you want first? Going to the gamma surface, the thickness for the composite, it will be reset here, because we will define our thickness or in the setup section. Okay, or in this model section it will be reset, so you can just put the random number here. Okay, the structurals will be reset, all reset. What you want to do in this section, in this model window, you just need to do the mesh here. Okay, to define your mesh for the composite part. Okay, so that you got the mesh here. I will just try to use the default size. Okay, after that you go on to close and going to setup. In this section we will design our composite, the orientation, the thickness, and the material, everything. The composite you design in here. Okay, going to the material data, fabric, like as per usual. If you already watched my other video, oops, what you be careful, you should need the engineering data here. Drag the engineering data here for the composite and for the linear. Okay, don't forget, run the update your model here. You just want to click right click model and press the update. Be careful, you need to press here, go here. Okay, okay, here after we're done for that, okay, the model update. What you need careful here, you should define your unit first. Okay, so you don't want to forget after you run it. Okay, I will choose the millimeter unit. Okay, then going to fabric like before, properties, carbon UD, and just your material. I will, for the composite you will use epoxy carbon UD. Thickness I will go for 1 millimeter for supply. Okay, and then the cap you will you may skip it. Okay, you just going to the element set. Okay, to the row set here, choose your row set, create new parallel origin. Going here, I don't want to change the orientation. Okay, so I will just press OK here, and going for the OSS orientation set, choose your element set here, point to choose your direction for your stack up the composite. I will choose for the upward. So the stacker will going to upward. Okay, going to the rosets here, choose your rosets and press OK. That you're done. Going to the modeling group, create the modeling group. You want to create ply, and then you want to choose the orientation selection set, press your play material and the angle. I will, in this video I will try to use the combination 0 and 90 degree. For the its ply will goes for a 5 mm thickness, so I will go for 5 mm. I mean 5 ply, and the combination will be going to 0 and 90 degree. Okay, I want to create right after here. Going to choose, press your oriented selection set again like before. The material is same, but the angle will be different. After that, you want to choose like before, create right after, or you may want to just block here. Try to copy and do the paste after here, and paste after again, and delete the modeling ply 6. And there you go. Simply you will got the combination more face. Okay, so after that you already done the modeling your ply. So it will be the one layer. You want to go into solid model. For to create your solid model, choose your element set and just press OK. And then I want to check if I want to recheck again if my combination of the orientation is right or not. I will try to section cut to look for the section of my vessel to see the combination of the orientation and the composite, it already correct or not. Okay, you just want to here press OK and go to the apply here to update your your design. Okay, to look the section cut, because it hide by the solid model, you should you want to hide the solid model first to see the section of your cut here. So the thickness goes to 5 mm, and if you want to look your angle or your orientation, you want to go to layer plots and press the angle, try to show it, and there you go, you got the angle for your each layer. So the green will be 0 and the 90 will be the red one. Okay, there you go. You can recheck again here, and after you go after you check and it's right, you can, and your design is correct, so you can just close this window to say that you're done for the design your composite. Here press the update, don't forget it. After that, after you're done for the design the composite, here to set up to update your setup, the composite is done, and the last one will be the linear one. So it is the pretty. Okay, because you already have the solid model of your linear, you just only need to define the material and the mesh and do the meshing here. Okay, there you go, we got the solid model here. Okay, just go into geometry, the assignment will be going to be polyethylene, and there you go, you're done. Going to press, I will try to choose the default size, default element size. Okay, and then you got your mesh here. There you go, you got your linear here. Just close your window. Oops. Okay, and then you're done for your linear and you're done for the composite. What do you want is want to combine it, mix it, or join it, combine it into the one of your object, the pressure vessel. What do you want to do is drag your model here, transfer it into the model for the textural, drag the setup here and transfer it to the model, same one, transfer the solid composite data. For that, what do you want? You need to update here, update the model first, and then after this one you're done, to going to press the model here to the edit and do your analysis. And for the statics tutorial, okay, it's done. Go to the model and choose your edit. Okay, in this one, your linear and your composite will be the one as the pressure vessel. But what you want to do, I will try to look the message first. Okay, so before we design our composite, there is 5 ply for the layer, 1 2 3 4 5, and the inside there is a polyethylene material, the linear or your pressure vessel. And then on that, what you want to do, there is the 2 different material. So what do you want to do is define the contact region for the linear and for the composite. So because there is always the contact region, okay, the relation in the contact for the linear and the linear and composite, and that's how you need to do the detail there. Okay, you need to look more for the contact region, but because I will try to do the basic analysis. Okay, I will just assume it will be bounded for the linear to the composite here. So what you want to do, you want to define the connection, going to the contact, you want to go to the connection. I will try to redefine the connection. Insert, going to the manual contact region. Okay, go to the type here, bounded. There is a different type of the contact here. I will press the, and actually I want to just press I want to choose the bounded one. Yeah, so the contact will be going for the inside of the pressure vessel. Okay, but actually what you want to do, you need to hide first your linear. So you don't want to misclick the target or the contact you want to choose. Okay, well, it goes for the the composite, the inner composite here, contact here, and the target will be going to the linear one. So if you want to do contact linear one, you don't want to misclick it. You can just hide this composite, the composite one, the composite part, and show all body first. Hide this one. Okay, hide the composite here, hide the body, and there you go. You got your linear here. You want to just choose here the target. Okay, and choose all of them and press the apply here. There you go. You got your solid model for the composite and the solid model for your linear here. Okay, after you define your region, your contact region here. Oh, sorry, you need misclick it. Okay, you done for the contact region. What you need, like as per usual, if you want to do analysis, you do the analysis, put the force, the load, and the support, like as per usual. Okay, I will try to put the pressure and the fixed support. I want to do 2 different support here. First the pressure here I want to going to in the inside of the I can look for I can reach the part. What do you want to do for the simple? So simple for to the simple, so you don't want to misclick it. You can just cut this pressure vessel into half. Okay, what you want to do, going here, the new section plan. Wait, need to rechange again. Okay, there you go. You to go into section plans here, press here, and try to drag here. Okay, the middle one here, and there you go. You got your section plan here. Easy peasy. Put the pressure here, put the surface here. The pressure will be goes here, the inside of the linear. Just apply the magnitude. I will go for the 1 megapascal. Okay, you can just recheck again here. There you go. the pressure in the will be goes for the inside of the linear part, and there you go, your pressure vessel here. Okay, and then the fixed support here, I'm going for the here this start and the bottom one here. Okay, supply, and going to the solution, I want to look for the equivalencies and for the deformation of the pressure vessel. The equivalent deformations I want to look is the all the layer here, the pressure vessel, and then press solve, and we wait. Oh, that's pretty fast. Okay, there you go. You got your pressure vessel, your formations, stress, and for the total deformation of your pressure vessel. I mean the animation is not good. Okay, well, just if you want to look for the true scale of your analysis, you can just press this true scale. There you go. Get your true scale of your pressure vessel animation, and there you go. If you want to look inside, if you already cut make a section plan, you can just press checking press hit this button, check the section plan, and there you go. You can look the good inside of your pressure vessel. If you want to look if you want to check the stress for your the composite only, you can just hide the linear part here. Press here and hide the body, put the section plane here, and choose the section, the equivalent stress here, and there you go. You got your nice cut to look inside of your pressure vessel. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. See you next time.